Sponsored by United We Pledge. I am here in beautiful Ivins, Utah, standing with Shannon and Dennis from United We Pledge, and there is an awesome bus behind us. I am so excited to give you guys a sneak peek. Let's talk about what the bus is, first of all. Dennis, can you tell us?
Yeah, of course. The bus is a mobile exhibit for kids, actually. What we wanted to do was create a place where kids could come and learn about the American story, and we decided what better thing to do than get a school bus, transform it into this really cool interactive exhibit that's hands-on and allows kids and their families to come in and learn about the American story.
Well, and it is so interactive, and the colors in it, it's so fun. Shannon, tell me what the purpose is. What do you guys want to get out of this with this bus?
Well, we really want youth and families, community to understand more about the Founding Fathers, about the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights. When we first started even coming up with content for what the bus would have in it, we wanted to ignite the impossible in youth and let them know that anything is possible. It's delightful inside and fun and interactive, and we wanted them to really know that one person makes a difference. These heroes on the outside of the bus, they were just normal people, and they did something extraordinary. And what they're doing and what we are doing now can make a difference.
Absolutely. And one of my favorite parts is the Declaration of Independence in there. Tell me about that specific part.
So there's a document that is an exact replica of the Declaration of Independence. We have it inside to have them understand that that's a living document for them. So we've highlighted specific parts of it that they can take away from that document to say, gosh, that is really meaningful to me now. This is what that means for me. It's not just this old document that means nothing. We wanted them to understand that those who signed that document sacrificed their lives for us. So it's very cool.
And so important for our kids to learn and know all this history. And I love how interactive it is, Dennis. The torch where you can put your hand behind it and light it up. Tell me why it's so important to, also entertain these kids.
Yeah, everyone learns differently, right? And youth sometimes can think American history is boring. We want it to be anything but boring. We use the term edutainment is what we use, right? We want to educate in really fun and exciting and memorable ways. So we've used a variety of learning experiences with televisions and iPads and all of that. We've had a tremendous creative team, a tremendous team creating content. We've asked the community to come together. Right?
It takes a community, Dennis.
In every way, right? We've had sponsors and donors and people creating all of this vision and bringing it to life. And we're so thankful for the community. If we're really going to reach out and make a difference for kids, it's not going to be one of us. It's going to be all of us coming together. So you can learn about the bus at unitedwepledge.org. We want the bus to be on the road every day during the year. We want to go to schools and community events, and anyone who wants to learn about where it's at or how they can have the bus and make a reservation for their families or their children, we would love them to go to unitedwepledge.org and learn about it.
Make sure to go to the website to get this bus in your community. It has ignited my passion for history, and hopefully it will ignite yours and the generations to come. Shannon, Dennis, thank you so much. This is so cool.
Yeah,
thank you so much. It'll be really fun.